Transform the look of your home for a fraction of the cost of new furniture. Revolutionary Stretch Slipcover provides a form-fitting solution to protect and transform your furniture. Developed to stretch and fully recover in all directions, this unique fabric will change the way you look at furniture slipcovers. Remove the slipcover and instruction sheet from the packaging. To install your slipcover, begin by draping it over the furniture using the sewn-in positioning labels on the inside to locate and properly place the cover's front section, back section, and arm. Starting on one side of the furniture, place the slipcover on one arm, then stretch the cover all the way around the back of the furniture, lining up the seams at the back corners as you go. Pull the fabric down to cover the body of the furniture, keeping the seams lined up with the arms as you adjust evenly to cover the front. Position the stretch and recover fabric to match the contours of your furniture's arms, and then allow it to relax naturally into place. Once the cover is properly positioned on the furniture, the unique construction will allow you to stretch the fabric and place the seat elastic under the cushions. Locate and line up the seams on the seat and back arm areas and tuck excess fabric into the crevices. Smooth any excess fabric and tuck into the creases. Your stretch slipcover will hug the contours of your furniture and stay tucked in. The unique fabric contains spandex for optimal flexibility. The elastic bottom band allows you to adjust the cover to perfectly align with the dimensions of your furniture style for a perfect fit with no fuss. Slipcovers are machine washable, making this an efficient, affordable way to update your home decor.